When you're thinking about investing in construction management software, Smartsheet might be on your radar. But before you make that decision, there are some key things you should know. We'll cover 12 important details about Smartsheet and how it compares to other tools in the market, so you can decide if it's the right choice for your church. Let's dive in. First, Smartsheet is a flexible platform that excels at managing projects, workflows, and collaboration. Its spreadsheet-like interface is user-friendly, but more dynamic than what you'd find with simple spreadsheet tools. However, if you're looking specifically for church-focused features like membership tracking and donation management, Smartsheet might not be as specialized as competitors like Planning Center or Breeze THMS. Next, Smartsheet is cloud-based, meaning you can access it from anywhere. This gives you the flexibility to manage church operations remotely, which is a huge advantage. However, keep in mind that since it's not built specifically for church management, you might need to integrate with other software to handle things like sermon scheduling or volunteer management, which could be a hassle. The third thing to consider is its pricing structure. Smartsheet is not the cheapest option out there. It uses a subscription-based model, and pricing depends on the number of users and features. For smaller churches, this might feel like a bit of an investment, especially when compared to affordable alternatives like ChurchTrack or Elvanto. Now let's talk about customization. One of Smartsheet's strongest points is how customizable it is. You can create templates for virtually any process, whether that's tracking events or managing volunteers. This flexibility makes it stand out compared to more rigid church management systems. The fifth thing you should know is that Smartsheet integrates with a wide variety of third-party tools, including Google Workspace, Microsoft Office, and Salesforce. If your church already uses any of these tools, Smartsheet makes it easy to sync your data across platforms. However, some competitors like Breeze offer built-in integrations for church-specific tools like donor management, which could save you time. Next, Smartsheet has a steep learning curve for new users. While it offers tutorials and support, it takes time to get used to navigating all the features. For churches with limited tech-savvy staff, this could be a roadblock compared to simpler systems like Tithe.li or EasyTithe, which are more intuitive. The seventh thing to consider is security. Smartsheet provides enterprise-level security features, including data encryption and two-factor authentication, making it a safe choice for churches that handle sensitive data. But again, many church management software solutions offer strong security measures, so it's not a standout in this area. Another thing to note is the mobile app. Smartsheet offers a mobile app that works well for on-the-go management, but some users have found it a bit clunky compared to other apps like Church Community Builder, which offer a more streamlined mobile experience. Next, let's talk about customer support. Smartsheet has a robust support team, offering help via phone, email, and chat. They also have a large community forum. But when comparing this to church-focused solutions like Rock RMS, which offer dedicated church support, Smartsheet's support may feel a bit generalized. The 10th thing is Smartsheet's reporting capabilities. It shines in this area, offering a wide range of customizable reports. If your church needs detailed reports on finances or events, Smartsheet can handle it. However, for churches looking for ready-made reports focused on attendance or donations, systems like Planning Center might save you time with pre-built templates. 11th, Smartsheet offers automation features, allowing you to automate repetitive tasks like sending reminders or creating tasks. This can improve efficiency, but once again, church management software with specific workflows for church activities might offer a more tailored solution right out of the box. Finally, Smartsheet is a powerful tool that can grow with your church. Its scalability means that as your church expands, Smartsheet can adapt. But if you're a smaller church looking for simplicity, Smartsheet's versatility might be overkill. To sum up, Smartsheet is a strong option for churches that need a flexible, scalable, and customizable solution.